Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tutor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change a ratio in your clips. So for example, I'm just drag and drop this video here on my timeline, and after that you can see uh, this is the landscape mode, this is the normal mode. But if you want to make this video for your reels, YouTube shorts or TikTok, then you have to keep it at the uh, portrait mode. Okay, but after that, okay, I'm just keeping here, and then go to here, the ratio option, this one. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see here there are some things, but this one 9 is to 16. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see this is your footage. So if you want to customize this, then just okay, you just drag it, and okay, and after that you can check here, or you can customize according to your project or according to your thinking. And after that, if you want to change it again, then you can go here and make it like here. And if you really want to, then uh, you can see this is really big. And if you want to make it original, then you can adjust it or fit it. Like you have to keep it 100%, and then you can make it fit. You can see. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.